All right, I'm gonna make a real quick video to walk you through the Authentisign electronic signing platform. This is the platform we will be utilizing to send you offers, counter offers, addendums, and whatnot throughout the transaction process, whether you're buying land or a home. This is what facilitates the obtaining of initials, signatures, dating, etc. So let's assume this is your email inbox and here sits the email. You go ahead and click on that. You see this pen right here. It says click here to sign. Pretty elementary right there. It'll prepare your document, and then right up here in the upper right hand corner in big bright red says start. Just click on start, and then you see your first initial area. When you click on that, it automatically scrolls the document up or down to your next signing. So you just click, 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 click away. I mean, it moves the mouse right over what's needing to be signed. So now down here, it needs my initial. And or my signature, when I click on that, it signs it, but it also completes the date. Okay, you see that? And then you click on complete signing. And then it goes to another screen and asks you, do you want to set up a password? There is no need. This comes right back to me. I store these documents. Anytime you want a copy, holler. I usually send them to you anyway. But anyway, there it is. Okay, that's Authentisign, and that's how that works.